The World Association for Psychosocial Rehabilitation held its 26th Mini Olympics to break mental health stigma and showcase service users' talents. Para bigyan po ng mukha ang balita, mobile journalist Jazz Paredes.
The World Association for Psychosocial Rehabilitation inaugurated its 26th Mini Olympics with the goal of addressing and dismantling the stigma and misconceptions surrounding mental health. In the name of fun and recovery, a mini-Olympics was held at the LC Gatchas Village, led by the World Association for Psychosocial Rehabilitation. The event was participated by service users from 8 mental health facility partners. This initiative started way back in 1999, with the goal of disproving the notion that people with mental health conditions cannot be active members of the community.
Naalis natin yung stigma dahil yung importanteng dapat makita nila na may malaking contribution itong mga taong ito, although may difficulties sila, pwede pa rin silang mabigyan ng pagkakataon maturuan, matrain, at syempre mabigyan ng importansya yung kanilang skills o kakayanan para makapagbahagi din sa society. Hindi naman sila pabigat
Hindi kasi pinag-uusapan ang mental health. Parang lagi na lang yan merong stigma na kapag ikaw ay may dinaramdam sa pag-iisip, parang hindi ka nakasama sa society. So through this event, sabi nga ni Sally, nabibigyan natin sila ng pagkakataon na iparating sa lahat na pwede palang makarecover.
The Mini-Olympics aligns with WAPR's mission to promote mental health awareness and advocate for the rights of individuals with mental health conditions. And the Mini-Olympics is part of the ongoing capacity building and community-based mental health efforts.
Invite psych facilities to bring the patients, recovered service user, we call them service user, to this Mini-Olympics, a day of fun. Ang sabi nga namin, ang battle cry namin is out of the shadows into the sunshine. Because there is this big chance for them to recover given the right intervention. And so WAPR Philippines promotes psychosocial rehabilitation. So that's what we do.
Over 300 participants joined this year's Mini-Olympics, which featured 10 games including badminton, basketball, cricket, chess, poster making, and many others, all highlighting the talents and skills of service users with a touch of competition and sportsmanship. A short Zumba session served as a warm-up before the games began.
We really want NGOs to unite, and together we could build we could spread the message na ang hirap pag sila'y palaging nakakulong. Meron namang possibility with the right intervention that they can go back to reality and uplift their lives through this activity.
For those struggling with mental health, the Psychological Association of the Philippines has a reminder.
It's okay not to be okay. It's very important then to seek help. It's very important that if you have inquiries, if you have questions in mind and you don't know the answer, there's a lot of mental health advocates and professionals who are here. Please reach out to us.
Kapatid Jazz Paredes, we are One News.